Every home has a story, but this one tells it in silence, light, and the elegance of restraint. From the moment you step inside, every line, texture, and proportion whispers a quiet confidence, a symphony of modern grace. The entrance unfolds like a gallery, calm, airy, and composed. Sunlight dances across pale stone floors, accentuating sculptural furnishings and organic forms. As you move through the hallway, a rhythm of symmetry and shadow guides you deeper inside. The living space opens with a sense of effortless sophistication, where modern geometry meets the comfort of everyday life. Just beyond, the kitchen continues this dialogue. Sleek, monochromatic cabinetry framed in soft, natural light, merging beauty with function. A sculptural staircase rises in quiet confidence, its clean lines and dark accents contrasting the soft luminosity around it. Every corner feels considered, every texture deliberate. As you move through the corridors, framed views invite you forward, each doorway revealing the next chapter in a seamless narrative of space. Arched openings soften the architectural rigor, lending an almost poetic rhythm to the journey. Then the indoors begin to open, transitioning gracefully toward the light of the terrace. The flow between interior and exterior is effortless. Wide glass doors dissolve the boundary between architecture and nature, allowing sunlight to pour into every detail. From here, the home breathes, expanding into its own private retreat. Moving upward, the gallery hallway becomes a moment of architectural clarity. Timber beams trace the ceiling, echoing the rhythm below. It's a choreography of structure and serenity. The private quarters reveal a softer dialogue, where tones turn warmer, textures richer, and light more intimate. In the bedroom, bespoke wallpaper and layered textiles create a calm, tactile luxury. Here, the design becomes deeply personal, timeless, understated, complete. This is not merely a house, it's a portrait of refined living. Every space speaks the same language, a harmony of proportion, light, and timeless elegance. A home that doesn't demand attention, it earns it effortlessly.